going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN RNEWBBQ. Sorry for the lack of content that week. Apparently, somebody at AT&T messed up. See, Bill Gates had to call himself and say, why'd you let him loose? He wasn't supposed to be out just yet. Apparently, I'm supposed to still be in 4G land like I am right now shooting this video. So, hopefully you'll get to see me again sometime soon. Like I said back in the chili video, I said I was back, but right now I'm still up in the air. Hopefully you'll get to see that chili video, just like hopefully you'll get to see this video. Don't know when I'm going to be back, but I'm just going to keep shooting videos until you get to see me. Hopefully. So, today we're going to do up Southern style sweet and sour pork chops. Now, disclaimer at the beginning of this video. Apparently when they made this recipe, all they heard about on seasoning was salt. Bones don't play that. We like flavor here. I'm a big guy. Big guy like flavor. Now, we're going to hook it up with some S&S Signature Series. It's got lots of flavor. It's got salt, pepper, garlic, onions, paprika. The works. If you use my code CAJUN23, it'll save you 15% off the order. Now, another disclaimer. I don't make anything off of that deal. It's all to help you save some money. So, use it. Save you some money, folks. Stick around. We're going to get right to this recipe. We're going to go ahead and begin now. Got our pan up to about a medium-high heat. We're going to go ahead and throw in our 2 tablespoons of oil. Go ahead and coat the bottom of that pan. I've got about a half a cup to a cup of flour over here. Got our pork chops over here. We're going to go ahead and take our S&S Signature Series seasoning and start coating those pork chops. Put a nice coating over them. Then put it onto the flour. Go ahead. Now flip that over. Now we're going to go ahead and add that to the oil. Go ahead, let that cook on this side for a couple minutes, then flip it over. You want to just brown it. Don't want to cook it all the way through. When we do that with all 3 of them, then bring you back when they're done. The last of the pork chops of the 2 to 3 minute time for both sides are now done. Now, disclaimer, they are not fully cooked. So don't serve them to anybody. We're going to move on to making the sauce now. Let's go ahead and start with that sauce now. 1 cup of white vinegar. 1 cup of chicken broth. 1/4 cup of water. That's about it. 1/3 of a cup of some ketchup. Now this last ingredient, they call, well, I'm sorry, second to last ingredient. Go ahead and pour this into the trash can over here. This second to last ingredient, they call for 1 cup of sugar. I'm not going to pour that much. At the end of my video, there would be an ad by Wilford Brimley for diabetes. We're not going to have that. Now granted, my sauce wouldn't be as sweet, but we're going to pour in maybe about half a cup of sugar. I will test it, add a little bit more if need be, but we're not going to do a whole cup. Just not going to happen, folks. And then last one is going to be some cornstarch. Got a clean spoon from over here. Two tablespoons. All right. Now, we're going to go ahead and bring that up to a boil. And then, let it thicken up. We're going to go ahead and start combining this dish to get it on the smoker. Got my smoker set up to 300 degrees. The dish calls for 325, but my smoker doesn't hit 325. Either does 300 or 350. So I'm doing 300 degrees. We're going to go ahead and spray the dish now. Go ahead and make sure it's well greased. Now, start putting your pork chops on the bottom of the pan here. It's okay if it overlaps a little bit, that's just fine. Get your bell pepper rings. Get some pineapple chunks. You can get a whole can of it. You can either use the whole can of it or save some for later for snacks while you're waiting on the dish to be ready to serve. Now, time for that sauce. Yours can be a little thick, could be a little thin. There we go. If you need more sauce, go ahead and make more sauce real quick. Get you a thing of tin foil. Go ahead and cover it up. Get it on the smoker. 325 for an hour. Let's go ahead and get this on the smoker. Alright, we've reached an hour. I've checked them. They look good. So we're going to go ahead and pull them. And just as fate has had it, go to do the end of the video and NASCAR season starts up. So, let's see what we can do. Everything looks real good. Our pineapples got a nice little haze to it. Nicely cooked. Bell peppers done. Our meat, beautiful. So, let's go ahead and take a bite. get some of this pineapple. Nice. Still got some of that sweetness to it. Got a little bit of that sour note from the sweet and sour sauce. So good. Move some of that bell pepper to the side. We'll get some of that in a minute. Want some of that pork chop. Nicely cooked, not overdone. Oh yeah, not dried out, still nicely moist. Definitely got some of that sweet and sour notes to it. Definitely helped out using some of that S&S Signature Series seasoning. Better than the salt. Definitely much better. Didn't use that whole cup of sugar. Don't need Wilford Brimley coming after me. So, if you like what I'm doing, you know what to do, folks. Thank you and have a good day.